9,000. So they still have 3,000. So how about the balance we share among us?
But I worry if we get caught by your boss.
It's okay, you just stick with the contract, which is RM 9,000. So my boss will never know.
Okay, then deal.
Deal.
Miss Afi, can you get the receipt from Artis Gempak for the promotion to a concert? I want to know the overall budget toward this tour concert.
Okay, boss.
Hello, this is Artis Gempak. I'm Miss Afi, which is Mr. Jawi's secretary. Can you give me the receipt from the promotion of tour concert?
Oh, Miss Afi, I will fax the receipt to you and sorry for the inconvenience.
Alright, Department 1 of the Superior Court is now in session. Judge Erman President, please be seated.
Good morning, everyone. Calling the case of the Jawi versus Soto. Are both sides ready?
Okay, before we start our judgment, let me tell you about definition of agency. So agency is a contractual relationship which subsists between principal and an agent. So under the relationship, the agent is being empowered by the principal to act for the principal in dealing with third party. The next, agent is a person who is employed or authorized by the principal to do certain act for him or represent him in dealing with third party. In section 135, an agent is a person employed to do any act for another or to represent another in dealing in third party. So for principal is a person who authorized the agent to act to behalf of him. In section 135, the person for whom such act done or who is represented is called the principal. So whether agent is breached the contract by receiving secret profit. So is it through the SOTO, which is defendant, receiving the secret profit and share with the third party?
No, my client is not receiving secret profit. It's paid according to the contract state.
I argue because the contract and the receipt is different. In contract that 9,000 ringgit and the receipt is 6,000 ringgit. So where the balance? You can answer that. Means you're receiving secret profit. Here the evidence.
Okay, next, whether Ms. Soto is liable in the contract of agency.
Duties of agent to which the principal is meant of obey the principal instruction in section 164 of contract agency 1950 in case Trooping versus Bilton. Firstly is about good faith. The agent must receive, exercise, care and diligent use all skill he possesses in carrying out his work in section 165 of contract agency 1950 Keppel versus Wheeler. To read proper account when required in section 160 of contract agency 1950 case Lear versus Kennedy. Agent also cannot become a party to the transaction with the principal Armstrong versus Jackson. If principal notice that there is no third party, principal may repudiate the contract in section 16 of contract agency 1950. Y versus one time fall. Agent cannot act on behalf of two principals at one time without their consent. Football versus Hurley.
Secondly is about secret profit. Principal may repudiate the contract. Principal may over the amount of bribe in section 190C of CA 1950. Tan Kyung Hwa versus Andrew S.H. Chong. Principal also may refuse to pay the agent commission. Principal may dismiss or terminate the agent in case Boston Deep Fishing and ICE versus Ansel. Next, principal may sue both agent and third party and claim damage in case Mahesan versus Malaysia Government Officer Cooperative Housing Society. Besides that, agent and third party may be charged under criminal offence in Section 4 Prevention of Corruption Act 1961. Agent also may principal or sum receive on his behalf in Section 171 of CA 1950.
Thirdly is about sub-agent. Agent cannot delegate his authority to other person. Section 143 of Contract Agency 1950. Exception, principal himself approve the delegation. De Boucher was out in a case of emergency necessity in Section 143 of Contract Agency 1950, purely clerical work which does not involve discretion or professional skill of the agent in case John Metcalf versus Corporation of.
If there is no instruction, the agent must act according to the custom that prevail in doing business of the same kind. Whenever the principal does not give any instruction to the agent, it is the duty of the agent to act according to the normal business activities. He must perform his duty according to what is usually being done by him under the agency agreement.
Next, must pay his principal or sum received on his behalf under Contract Agency Section 170. An agent must relate out any sum received on account of the principal in the business of the agency, all money due to himself in respect of advance made or expenses properly incurred by him in conducting such business, and also such remuneration as may be payable to him for acting as agent. In Contract Agency Section 171, subject to the deduction specifically in Contract Agency Section 170, the agent is bound to pay his principal or sum received on his account. Whatever amount the agent received on behalf of the principal must be paid to the principal. However, this duty is subject to Contract Agency Section 170, where the agent is entitled to deduct any sum from the principal's money for the payment of any sum on to the agent in respect of advance made incurred by the agent in conducting the business and any commission payable to the agent. The agent also has the right to retain his principal's property in his possession until his remuneration is paid. This right is called as the right of lien. Contract Agency Section 174, an agent is entitled to retain goods, paper, and other property, whether movable or immovable, for commission of the principal received by him until the moment due to himself for commission, disbursement, and services in respect of the same has been paid or accounted for to him.
Next issue is whether Mr. Jawi can claim remedies due to secret profit done by agent.
The secret profit means any bribe or secret commission or any financial advantage which is over and over the commission agreed under the agency contract. An agent is not allowed to receive any amount of secret profit from any third party when dealing on behalf of his principal without his knowledge. However, if the principal knows of the profit gained by the agent and the principal consent to it, it is no longer secret and therefore the breach of duty by the agent. In Section 168 provide that if an agent deal of his own account in the business of the agency without first obtaining the consent of his principal and acquitting him with all the material circumstances which have come to his own knowledge on the subject, The principal may repudiate the transaction if the case showed either that any material fact has been dishonestly concealed from him by the agent, or that the dealing of the agent have been disadvantageous to him. The court held that the agent was entitled to recover 3,000 ringgit from breach his duty as an agent. Thirdly, the jury may refuse to pay the SOTO commission in connecting with Sections 1973 Contract Act 1950. An agent who is guilty of bad controlling in the business of the agency is not entitled to any remuneration in respect of the part of the business. Lastly, for a remedy that may be taken by the principal is jury may sue both of agent and the third party giving the brief of damages for any loss he may have sustained through entering into the contract. As in the case of Mahisan versus Malaysian government, Zaid was discovered the fact only after the contract was done and discovered Artis Gempa had received 1,000 ringgit as a secret commission from the agent, which is the SOTO. In conclusion, within the strong point of that being given SOTO as agent toward the principal, Jawi had violated a certain restriction of power that given to him. Thus, Jawi can make an action to terminate, even not giving any commission to SOTO.